Solve and graph. 13 minus 3/4 n is greater than 16, or 15 is greater than 20 minus 5n. Now what we'll do is we'll solve each one of these inequalities separately and independent of each other, and then we'll form the union, which the word or means union here, of the two solution sets. So let's begin with 13 minus 3/4 n is greater than 16. Subtract a 13 from both sides, and you get negative 3/4 n is greater than 3, and then multiply both sides by the reciprocal of negative 3/4, which is negative 4/3. And since we're multiplying by negative, we're going to switch the direction of the sign. So if n is less than, the 3's cancel, negative 4. So that's one part of our solution. Let's go to the other side and add a 5n to both sides. And we get 5n plus 15 is greater than 20, and subtract a 15 from both sides. 5n is greater than 5, and then divide both sides by 5. N is greater than 1. So we have n is less than negative 4, or n is greater than 1. Now let's graph this solution set on the number line. Now the solution is n is less than negative 4, or n is greater than 1. So we want the union of these two sets. Since we're dealing with the less than symbol here, we're going to put a parenthesis around the negative 4 and color to the left in the negative direction. And for n is greater than 1, once again we'll use a parenthesis instead of a bracket, since we have a greater than symbol, and color to the right. So this is the graph of the solution of 13 minus 3/4 n is greater than 16, or 15 is greater than 20 minus 5n.